intro. Okay, so right now what we're gonna do is we're going to completely remix one of my own songs. Now this song in particular is called Fool Me Once, and it was my attempt at kind of creating like this country music kind of vibe, but I'm gonna try to turn it into more of an EDM R&B style of record, which is something that I've been playing with a lot lately. I'm gonna use Output Co-Producer to make that happen. Now, this video is sponsored by Output, but as always, they just let me just have a good time and just make some music. I'm gonna leave a link in the description as well so that you can get Output Co-Producer for yourself, as well as some cool discounts and things of that nature in that link. Let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play you a little bit of the record. So this is what the record sounds like as far as like this country vibe. I'm just gonna play it going into the chorus. Check this out. I be enough, but just you in between. Am I too blind to see? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. I don't know if I should go. All right, this record is unmixed, unmastered, no background vocals. It's on everything. Don't judge me. Yeah, it's just a skeleton. All right, let's get to it. So, first thing we're gonna do is I am going to open up Output Co-Producer, obviously. I'm gonna get the key of my song. So I'm gonna put it into A minor. And if you've seen some of my past videos using Co-Producer, what I'm gonna do is I am going to scan these initial chords. So let's do this. Here, this is right here. Let's do like an 8-bar scan, like so. I'm gonna mute my vocal just so it just cleanly can hear the chords. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say, give me some smooth EDM groovy chords. Let me say R&B too. R&B feeling groovy chord. That's a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I'm doing a lot right now. Let's take a listen to let's go through a few. Here we go again. I found my way back in your life. I like that. Let's keep going. I don't want to be a sucker and pick the first thing I heard. Let's pick another one. Here we go again. I found my way back in your life. Here we go again. You said you got him out this time. Here we go again. I found my way back in your life. We're gonna drag and drop this right into the sesh. Now we're gonna do is let me chop this sample up just a little bit. I wanna make it sound a little bit more like jello-y, which is not a word. I'm gonna open up my preset, and then I just wanna smooth out the top of it a little bit. Let's copy and paste this now. Here we go again. I found my way back in your life. Here we go again. You said you got him out this time. What do you do when you find your peace? Will you go back to him? You're with me. Oh, I don't wanna be a rebound. Yo, what's happening? Now what we're gonna do is let's find like a little bit like of a percussion kind of loop. Percussion loop, fine. Oh, I don't wanna be a rebound. Oh, I kind of like that. If you're yelling at me in the comment section, I just want to try a few more. I'm going to hit save. Shout out to the save button. Let me try a few more. Let me see what a few more sound like. What do you do when you find your peace? Will you go back to him? You're with me. Oh, I don't want to be a rebound. Bouncing here to here. Every time you walk outside, will you come back to me or another? I be enough. Just you. I like how this one grooves. The techno drums highlight. No, I'm gonna go with that one instead. I want it to start right here. What do you do when you find your peace? Will you go back to him? You're with me. Oh, I don't wanna be a rebound. Bouncing here to here. Every time you walk outside, will you come back to me or another? I be enough. Just you in between. Am I too blind to see? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice. Oh, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Oh, do I keep that same kick vibe? I might keep my snares, which my snares are this thing. I'm gonna keep that one. Just kind of organize it, because I'm like, oh snap, wait a minute. Like there's a little bit of a blend of both that I can kind of create to give me the vibe that I'm looking for. So, all right, now what I'm gonna ask co-producer to do is give me some smooth EDM, R&B feeling groovy drums. Let me just see what happens. So this is cool, but in my heart, I still want to feel like this certain type of groove. I think I might actually try the kick. 1 second. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna keep my kick pattern because I like that groove of my kick pattern. So I'm gonna keep that. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask it for like a clap pattern, like an EDM, like a clap pattern. So give me an EDM R&B style clap or snare pattern. That's it. I like that. That kind of just adds to what is already there. Doesn't feel like it just makes it super more confusing or anything like that. I really like what that gave me. So I'm going to put that there too. Cool. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it for, oh, wait, can I get an EDM kind of breakdown? Give me an EDM breakdown. Let me see what it does. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. That might have changed a lot. 1 second. Here we go again. You said you got them out this time. Wait a minute. I kind of like that vibe. I'm going to stay there. I need a melody right here. So let's put a melody right here. So let's say a smooth EDM melody line. There we go. I like that. All right, give me a little bass line now. Give me a smooth EDM R&B style bass line. That one is much simpler, but I really, really like how simple that one is. It's so simple that it just kind of like feels like it agrees with things a bit more. So I'm going to use that one instead. I'm thinking that I am going to take out all of these drums, right? In the beginning, I'm going to let this thing just rock for what it is, let it build up, and then let it drop in. Give me 2 seconds. Here we go again. I found my way back in your life. Here we go again. You said you got them out this time. What do you do when you find your peace? Will you go back to him? You're with me. Oh, I don't wanna be a rebound, bouncing here to here. Every time you walk outside, will you come back to me or another? I be enough, just you in between. Am I too blind to see? Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, and shame on me. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, and shame on me. I don't know if I should on you. Hey! I think I like it. Obviously, there's more stuff to do and stuff like that to it, but yeah, like that was really cool. We took it in a whole nother direction. I thought that was really fun. And I love like when we slip, fall, bump our head, hear something that inspires us, change everything. Like that was really cool. I'm not gonna lie, out of a lot of the co-producer stuff, of course, that I love and that I, done on this channel, that was actually like the most like intuitive kind of like using me as myself, but just using this to help me kind of like thing as far as I've ever used it. That was a lot of fun. I honestly really enjoyed that. Like, I really enjoyed that. And I really had a lot of fun. Anyway, I hope you did too. Again, thank you so much to Output for sponsoring this video. Again, if you want Output co-producer for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description for it with some cool discounts and things of that nature as well in that link. Yeah, let me know your comments, your questions, your concerns, what you think, what was your vibe, like what you think where we, you know, what we could have did, what caught your attention. But yeah, that was a lot of fun, man. That really was a lot of fun. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, if you want to see more of these videos, let me know, please, in the comments section below. Yeah, and until next time. Yeah.